a spot to swim also and for people to listen.
Osaka.
Guys, kauban na to ang usa sa pinaka the best nga mo capture og video. See, kana siya si Ma'am Lara, taga ko na siya, taga ormoc.
Oh, yeah.
See? And we have our one friend here, Marco.
What's up?
Yeah. So hey guys, welcome to our video. Actually guys, wala may dili para mag-vlog. We're on a business. We're on a business. So, we have one of our companion. That's her. Hi, kumusta? Oh, where's Lara? Where did it go? So karon guys, nata sa Camotes Island. You know, Camotes is composed of 3 islands, but we're here at the what do you call this island? PILAR, yeah, PILAR Island. So for now, we're gonna roam around, seek places, visit many places for short video for tomorrow, because we're here to document everything for the municipality. Yeah, we didn't have any intro video about coming here, riding boat, but we have a clip. Yeah, we have her now. And now we're here, one of their destinations in Pilar, the mangrove site. Yes, we're here. See you guys. Lots of mangrove. Look, shit. Oh my god, it's kind of dangerous. So we're gonna keep walking, don't step in the bamboo, keep walking. Oh my god. Whoops. So at the end of this bridge, wooden bridge, the end here is the beach. We're located right there. Yes. Yeah. I'm exhaling too fast because I'm tired of walking. Pero laban lang. So we keep on walking. They have a lot of trees, plants here with the name tag. Different kind of plants like salago and siapo. I don't know what kind of plant is this. See, you can see the light over there. It's kind of a sunset. Walk. Oh, I see a spot in here. It's so nice. Look. So we can jump in here. Oh my god. Oh, it's so very nice. You know, tayo drone. Hi.
Ay, di na sa taob. Ang bakanan din siya. Hoy!
See guys, sunset. Hey guys. We have here our Vice Mayor. Hi Vice. Good afternoon. She's guiding us. See the sunset guys? So nice. Actually, ang bakanan siya dagay
Kung taob.
Yeah, pero
Butang camera diha. Ay,
asa?
no, diha.
Sunset? Wala na yung sunset.
No, nakabuna.
Wala na. Stairs. So if ever mo amba ka diha pero dapat taob. See? Nice view, right? See guys, I recommend you visit Camotes once because Camotes is one of the best. Best pa lang. Ano ba kasalte? Pero soon, best na gina siya. Di ba guys? So karon bisita mi guys sa ilang giingon nga bangag ko no. Saan nga bangag? Confidential kani siya kay bangag ko no. Let's go. Stairway to. Oh, I see. Oh my god. Look at that,
Yeah,
guys.
it's better if it's high tide
Like, hold it for me.
because when you go down, it's actually you get like.
Nice. Sit down there.
I was thinking that.
I've just met Little Mermaid.
Ooh.
She's fine. Zoop. Zoop.
What does she be a man?
So, kapag may abot, kanilang gawas. Medyo kapoy. Nakunasad mi. Siyempre, nasa bisakyan na. Thank you for the LCU sa pagsasakay. Ato ka sa pikas, ma'am. Go, go. Gonna go to our next destination. So guys, we're here at the municipality of Camotes. So we're on a treasure hunt. Actually, nagamit din guys, nagkaroon sila ng proposed project. See? This is a proposed project for Camotes very soon. Look, they're gonna have their own sakyanan or bangka. No, it is not bangka. Barco. Barge. This one is bangka. Then they're gonna.
God, there's a guy.
So guys, how's the trip?
Pretty nice.
Yeah.
You have a message to the camera?
Say no.
I'm scared. Maybe there's a ghost in here. Are you afraid of ghosts?
I think we're all
We're all afraid of ghosts. Like, it's a big no. What? You heard something?
Something like
What?
the door of a car.
Hey guys, help! Help us! We're trapped. Go. Hindi siya mabli. Like. Now we're gonna go to the other side. Let's go. So for now, guys, we're trapped. We need to contact them. Because we're gonna go. It's dark in here. I'm scared. Maybe there's a ghost.
A ghost.
A ghost! We need a ghostbuster.
Oh my god, a ghost! Oh my god, it's just cocaine.
Let's go.
Morning, Kuya.
Good morning. You move, you. Good morning, we are the driver. Good morning, man.
Hi, ma'am.
Let's go. So we're here at the dim sum. Oh, dim sum. Dim sum. Dima. Where? What's that? Dim sum market. So we're here again, and with our drone pilot from Inupakan. We're gonna have today, and he's with us. There, it's with him, Victor, while we're walking. We're here at the mangrove. Okay, let's go. Someone's complaining. Shots. Pilot of the day. Hey Marco, are you excited?
Yeah, man.
Very excited. Good morning. Who's wanna jump first? You, me. Let it drone.
Yeah! Marco!
Yeah. Droning.
Run!
Let's go! Dali, dali. Oh. Come here, Marco. Come here.
Sige, bale.
Kita sa tanan. Up, Marco, up.
Alright.
Ano sana na?
Ito mag-usad niya. Okay,
Yan,
basin mo.
yan.
Alam ko yung bill guys. Pilot mo.
Team 1 minute!
Timbangan.
I'm actually holding an invisible stick that's like controlling
It's
this.
gonna fly. So we just fly the drone, guys. Now we're gonna swim. Are we ready to swim? Ready to swim.
I was ready to swim yesterday.
Actually, I was born ready, guys. The drone is gone. Go. Hey guys. It's morning again. You know, another day, another vlog. And now we're gonna go to the lagoon. They said they have a lagoon here. And this day we're gonna have our shoot. Yes. You know, keep walking in the middle of the sunlight. It's so hot. Here's my partner. What's up, partner? Hi, mayong buntag. The lagoon. So it's our day 2, guys, here in Camotes, PILAR. We're gonna shoot the promotional right now, but we're still waiting for the drone. We have
Short story lang, no? So, sa Amoa, sa Puerto Bello, namin gitawag nga Canlo Mintao, Mount Can, hindi siya matawag Mount Island, like, kamay, katabaw ko ano,
what?
like, basta, gamay ka siya, like, cut.
Okay, guys, we're finally here at the lagoon. Wow, guys, it's so clear. Tinaw kayo. Oh, okay. Ano siya ang lagoon? What kind of, like, kayak activity? Or
Ano, siguro din na.
Cottage.
okay.
There's natoy fish kaganina. Naay dito.
Crab.
So you can take footages of the boats, like,
Okay.
and then the lake.